What do you want to do? Use a blue marker?
Blue marker.
Give him a lower back tattoo. Keep him in the top 5. What are you gonna put? Oh yeah, he needs a lower back tattoo. Can't see you. Keep right. Keep right. Look at this. He's done. He's writing something. I don't know what he's writing. You forgot the E in like. Put the E. We need some light. Where's the light at?